So what we have here is a lighting problem in our shop, and a lot of people are going to LED lights and stuff like that. As you can see, these old tube style lights aren't really cutting it anymore, and I'm tired of replacing bulbs on these things. So I went to Harbor Freight and I bought 2 lights. So these lights you can snap together up to 4 different lights. They got 4 bulbs each, 4 feet long, and we're going to replace this one lighting strip and see what we got, see what's going on, see if this stuff works. Hey! So these babies are 10,000 lumens. And like I said, says you can link up to 4 lights together. Hey. Hey, man, geez. Well, it looks cool. Nice diamond plate finish there.
These are LEDs?
These are LEDs.
Man.
So we're gonna put these babies up, see how they work.
Machete kills.
And opens boxes.
Whoa!
That's bright.
Yeah, it's not that bright.
When messing with electrical, we don't do safety third, because that'll kill you. We do safety first.
Remember, I only have one hand on this.
Let it dangle. Well, as you can see, these here lights have had better days. Throw up the new one and see what happens. These babies come with a hardware kit too, chains and brackets. Hook all this sucker. See if we can hang these babies up. Well, that's pretty slick actually. Goes right into the end. Just slides right into the end. Loop that sucker in there and it goes right in, or it gives you an option to mount it with screws too if you want. Pretty slick. So these babies come with them long chains. So it looks like you just got to loop it onto your little bracket first and then slide it in there. Done deal. And I'm going to crimp the ends of these things down just a little bit, just because I don't want that sliding off of there, which I don't think it will, but better safe than sorry. Or I thought I was going to. They're pretty tough, maybe I won't. Those are actually pretty dang heavy duty. I'm just going to leave them the way they are. So what I'm gonna do is put these little clips on there. You can add those if you want, just so it's easily removed. And then I'm gonna pinch these bad boys on there, make sure they don't come loose. And we'll hang them from there. So I'm just gonna measure this. Let's see how far we gotta go out for putting another anchor point in there. Because this is half the size of the other light. You can link them together, but there's gonna be a cord in between, so you can't mount them as one unit, you gotta mount them one at a time. Here we go. Note to self, get a taller ladder. Take 2. Safety third.
Don't worry, I promise I'll catch you if you fall.
Okay.
Okay. So show us how that one plugs into that one.
Well, basically, just like this.
Oh, just like a regular plug-in. So they don't actually snap together.
No, just plugs in with the cord in between them.
So what are you gonna do with all that extra cord hanging around?
Well, that's what I'm trying to figure out. I was hoping that these things would just snap together, but you got to plug them in with the cord, so you got to figure out what to do with your extra here if you got them close together. So I guess I'll just wrap it around this here chain, something like that. Guess that'll work. What? Let's plug them in. Well, obviously this is just temporary, but we're gonna figure out some outlets, probably wire some outlets up there so we don't have to run extension cords everywhere. Oh,
Dang! Let there be, ow!
holy crap, that is bright.
I think it's brighter than it is outside. I'll take it.
Oh, we're gonna see how these things do over time, and I'm gonna probably go buy a couple more because we had to unlink that light with this one, and so I'm gonna have to buy 2 more of these others and link those together so we got light in that section. And yep, we'll see how they work. The BRAUN 10,000 lumens shop light, 4 bulbs, links up to 4 lights, $49.99, available today at Harbor Freight. And I'm pretty happy with the way that these turned out. I'm pretty happy with, they're pretty lightweight and they seem pretty durable. And I believe that we're gonna be getting lots more of these for the shop. And I think it's gonna make a great shop light for the price and everything else, so there you go.